What's going on, everybody? PewDiePie here. What's going on, guys? Shevon here, and welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be looking at this brand new skin from dbrand and PewDiePie. So dbrand and PewDiePie, they made a collab. They made some dbrand skins, and it's awesome. They also made some face mask as well. So yeah, I'm not gonna look at the face mask. It's literally just a face mask, like typical regular face mask, and it comes with a few like instruction manuals inside the packaging, teaching you how to use it, that you should wash it, that it's not like a medical mask or anything like that. It's just a regular mask with PewDiePie's design on it. But enough of that. We have to look at this skin from dbrand right here, guys. The PewDiePie times dbrand skin. Super awesome skin. It feels great in the hand. Without any further ado, before we look at it, let's see what we get inside the box. So opening the box, it's the typical thing from dbrand. You have the regular like rectangular box thing. You open it, you get the peanut thing inside, this white thing there for literally no reason. Then also you're greeted with two skins. So I got the full cutout skin, which I have on the phone right here, and also you get a regular skin which can just be placed on the back of the phone without any protection on the sides. We also get a microfiber cleaning cloth, a white version, which I'll definitely not use because I have my Rhino Shield cleaning cloth. We also get a note from dbrand. I told them to just draw me something cool, and they actually draw me something cool on a sticky note, which is highly appreciated. So next up, guys, it's time to put the skin onto the iPhone. What I did was, the first thing I did was wash my hand. Then I also got my room heater. The reason why I got the room heater is because you need some kind of heat to apply to the skin so it could smooth out the edges and get everything laid down and pressed on nicely onto the device. So following the instructions on dbrand installation guide, I placed the skin on the bottom grill of the speakers all the way down to the camera modules, and then to be honest, it was kind of a perfect fit. Now it was time to get the edges smoothed out. So what I did was I got my space heater, put the phone near to the space heater, warm up the skin so I could rub on the sides really neatly, and it was super easy to do. All the cutouts were perfectly fine. I made sure that I put the heater on all four sides of the flaps, rubbed down the edges with my fingers. I also used the Rhino Shield microfiber cleaning cloth to rub out any bubbles or imperfections around the skin, and now it looks perfectly fine, and this is the final product we get. Now the overall feel of the skin, it feels amazing. Like, this is like my favorite texture on a dbrand skin. It's super grippy, and that's a thumbs up from dbrand. We also got a camera lens cutout. It was super easy to put in. I didn't really look at any instruction manuals. I just took it off the sticker, placed it onto the phone, and yeah, to me it looks fine. Another question people might ask is, does this sticker or dbrand skin work with wireless charging? Yes, it does. Also, will it fit most cases? Not really, but let's try to see if it would fit my Apple iPhone case. Real quickly, let's see what case I should use. Let me get this one, and also let me get this one. Another Rhino Shield solid suit, and we also have two Apple iPhone case, the silicone and the leather case. So let's try to put the silicone case on first. There we go. And the issue I'm having is right here, as you can see. You can see how hard that is to put on. So for me, this is a no, because it will tear the case. I've torn it before, so I won't tear this white one. Next up, we have the leather Apple case. Leather Apple case, same thing. It's destroying the skin, as you can see. As you can see, it's tearing apart the skin right here. So that's a no-go. If you look closely, you can see what's tearing apart the skin right there. Next up, we have the Rhino Shield case right here. And this is a case from Rhino Shield. That's a bumper case that can also be used as a full case if you take off the rim. But this Rhino Shield case, let's see if this works. The same thing, guys. The skin is going to rip on the sides. So if you want to rip the side of your skin, then I guess you could put this case on. But look how clean that would look though at the back. Just imagine how clean that would look. Next up, let's try a solid suit case from Rhino Shield, the new series. You already know. This might work, not sure. Nope. So yeah, basically every case it's going to freaking bend right here. Now if you have a very stretchy or flexible case, then I think that could work. Okay, so I found a very stretchy case right here. So this case I could stretch the corners, so I think this will work. Just like so. Now we could stretch these corners, as you can see. So if you have a very stretchy case like this one, you could just stretch the corners, then it will fit. And this looks actually very good. So this is a really nice fit right here. You can see the corners. So any case you have that could stretch the corners that's made of plastic or a TPU plastic or anything like that, you'll be good to go. And this is actually a very good look. Oh man, this looks great, guys. Alright, so those were the case tests. As you can see, it's not ideal to put cases onto the dbrand skins because it will rub off the edges and it feels tight. It's a very tight fit. I think if you're getting a dbrand skin, like, why would you try to put a case on it anyways? If you want to put a case on your phone and also rock a dbrand skin, dbrand makes some grip cases where you could put the skin on the back of the case and it's a perfect cutout, so it will look nice. But yes guys, hope you enjoyed that review of me checking out the brand new skins from Pewdiepie and dbrand. It looks amazing. If you want this Pewdiepie wallpaper, I'll link it down below in the description for you guys. If you enjoyed today's video, if you're new here, I do videos like this. I have tons of dbrand videos with over 100,000 of views. If you guys want to check those out, I'll leave a playlist down below for you guys. And yeah, as always, love, peace, and tweaks. By the way, dbrand, I know you're watching this. You need to send me some skins. I'm tired of this. Send me some skins now. Peace.